In this video, I am going to show you how to activate Mint's mobile SIM card or eSIM. So first, of course, check what you ordered. Do you have a physical SIM card or an eSIM? The activation steps are a bit different for each different one, whether you have the eSIM or the physical SIM. Of course, if you get an eSIM, you will not get anything physical like any physical card, nothing to put inside your phone, so you'll have to keep it in mind. So if you have the physical SIM, you'll have to insert the physical SIM, basically. So power off your phone and eject the SIM tray or SIM tray and place basically the card with the golden chip facing down. Then push the tray back and power your phone on. But if you have an eSIM, basically you'll need to go to your phone settings and add cellular plan, and of course click on add eSIM, and your phone should allow eSIMs in the phone. And of course you can scan the QR code Mint email to you or give you on the card or the box that you buy, and you should be good to go. And of course, to activate your Mint mobile SIM or eSIM, you will need to open the Mint mobile app. And of course, from there, you can either activate your eSIM and also the same card. You can also, if you don't want to go to the app, you can go to mintmobile.com/activate, sign in or create an account if it's your first time, and then you'll have to enter your SIM or SIM card or eSIM activation code and your phone IMEI number, and of course choose whether you're switching from another carrier or starting fresh. Then you'd like to confirm your plans, submit, and wait. The activation usually takes a few minutes, but can take up to a few hours. And of course, if you activate it and nothing, or you cannot use your SIM yet, just go and make a quick restart on your phone, or just activate the plane mode on your phone, and it should work in right away. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.